Good day to Professor Madhya TS, Dr. Felix. We are from Group 6 and will be presenting our integrated design project for the infrastructure. For the introduction, infrastructure is the basic systems and facilities that provides services that is required for a developed area to function. Our company is called 666 Consultants Union Berhad, which is a consultant firm that provides professional solutions to any civil engineering related problems, and in this case, infrastructure. Our project is to the design of infrastructure for the development of shop lots, which includes earthwork design, road design, drainage design, water reticulation design, and sewerage reticulation design. This is our program schedule. For the first week, we obtained the topography map of the project location and the design of earthwork, which is cut and fill. The design of cut and fill started from week 1 to week 5. For the design of drainage, road, and detention pond, it is from week 2 to week 9. And from week 3 to week 9 is the water reticulation design, and from week 4 to week 9 is the sewerage reticulation design. And on the 9th week, we compile our report, and on the 10th week, we submit the report and conducted the presentation.
Good day, Doctor. I'm Ivy Ching Chun. Now I'm going to present to you our project's earthwork layout plans. So you can see here, this is our earthwork layout plans. The pink color area is the cut area, and the yellow color area is fill area. So total area for our project is 6.1 arcs, and the total cut is 740 cubic meter, and we need to import 6,512 cubic meter. So you can see our platform level and road level, and also the exiting level on this plan. So you can see here is another earthwork layout plan. The plan is same as the previous one, just the pink color is the cut area, and the purple color is the fill area. And also you can see the grid line here. The grid line here is used for the cut and fill volume calculations that we calculated by using spreadsheets, Excel spreadsheet. So now you can see here is our earthwork cross-sectional view. On grid D, you can check on previous slide. And this one, you can check. You can see the orange line here represent the platform or road level, while the blue line here represent the exiting level. So you can see from the first and the last space, the area under the blue line and above the orange line is the area to be cut. And from the second to the fourth space, the area under the orange line and above the blue line is the area to be filled. So now we look at the earthwork cross-sectional view for grade F. You can read the view similar as previous one. Below the blue line, above the red line is the cut area, and below the red line above the blue line is fill area. So you can look at each grid. Below each grid, it got stated its platform or road level and also its exiting level, and it also provides the distance between each grid. So this is the BQ for the earthworks. The earthworks including the site clearance, earthworks, which is cut and fill works, extra over, the cutting of hard material, fillings and compactions, and also the fill density tests. The total amount we need is around 600k ringgit Malaysia.
The figures show the road and drainage design plan for our site. Initially, the site was mainly an undeveloped forest with some developed area around the site, while the detention pond is located on the bottom of the site with the area of 1.08 hectare. There will be 28 sums in this design. These figures show the road design detail, and this is the cross-section area for section 1RD/1. The road is designed according to JKR standard. There will be 4 layers underneath the root. The first layer will be the subgrade, the second layer will be the sub-base, followed with the root base. The final layer will be covered with a layer of 100 mm thickness asphalt concrete. The root marking will be painted after the finished root level, and the last work will be the root furniture. This figure shows the layout of major system with an internal width of 1.2 meter, while the major system will only connect Sum 27 to Sum 28. While this figure shows the layout of minor system of the drainage, the minor system will have an internal width of 1 meter, while the system connects Sum 1 to Sum 27. While this figure shows the cross-section of the pipe covered for Sum 7 to Sum 11, while the diameter of the pipe covered is 450 mm. This is the bill of quantity for road construction. The total cost will be Rm 683,156.88. And this is the bill of quantity for drainage. The total cost will be 114,8932.64.
The title of our project are stated at above. The whole development consists of 30 units of 4-story shop house, 5 units of single-story terrace house, 1 unit of kindergarten, mosque, and hall. The total daily water requirement for the whole development after calculation we get is 158,000 liters per day. So this is the water pipe we propose for our project. The water pipe starts from the node 1 until the end, which is the node 8. We calculated the peak flow for our project by using software Ethernet 2.0. All the requirements are fulfilled except for the velocity. Pump should be added to increase the velocity due to the lower water demand of our project. Then is the result at nodes. Based on SPAN guidelines, the minimum residential pressure must have 7.5 meter, while the maximum residential pressure must not more than 30 meters. So in our project, all nodes are fulfill this requirement. After that, we proceed to the fire flow design by using software Ethernet 2.0. All the results are fulfill the requirement. Then is the result at nodes. We can see that the pressure stated are in the range of 7.5 meter to 30 meter, which is fulfill the requirement of SPAN. After that, this is the draw-off table at various nodes. And finally, this is the bill quantity for water reticulation system. The total amount needed is 90,534 ringgit, 0.48 ringgit Malaysia. That's all from me, thank you.
Design of sewerage. For manhole 1 to manhole 2, the total PE is equal to 654. We apply 225 mm internal diameter VCP pipe with 0.05 hydraulic gradient. We using many equations and we get the allowable pipe discharge equal to 0.041 cubic meter per second and the peak flow equal to 0.008 cubic meter per second. The Q around is larger than Q peak, which is okay for the design. The velocity equal to 1.4 meter per second, which is between the 0.8 and 4.0 meter per second. The design is okay. Design of manhole. The pipeline diameter equal to 0.225 meter, so the manhole spacing must be less than 150 meter and diameter equal to 1.2 meter. The pipe length from manhole 1 to manhole 2 equal to 108 meter, and at the manhole 1, the ground level equal to 9.7 meter and the inverse level equal to 8.5 meter, so the depth for the manhole equal to 1.2 meter. At the manhole 2, the ground level equal to 9.3 meter and first level equal to 7.96 meter, so the depth for manhole equal to 1.34 meter. The detail of pipeline. The right top corner is the cross-section view of sewerage under manhole 1, while the right bottom corner is the cross-section view of sewerage under manhole 2. This is the manhole detail. All the detail is according to the standard MS1228. This is the detail for sewerage. The total amount is equal to 23,988 ringgit.